How come?
How come?
How come How come មានន័យថាហេតុអ្វីវាមានន័យដូចជាពាក្យថា why ដែរឧទាហរណ៍ How come you didn't come to class yesterday How come you didn't come to class yesterday មានន័យថាហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកមិនបានមកថ្នាក់រៀនម្សិលមិញឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត A Hey I'm sorry but I don't think I can go with you Hey I'm sorry but I don't think I can go with you B How come it's going to be so fun How come it's going to be so fun មានន័យថា A Hey ខ្ញុំសុំទោសតែខ្ញុំគិតថាខ្ញុំមិនអាចទៅជាមួយអ្នកបានទេ B ហេតុអ្វីឬក៏ហេតុអ្វីមិនអាចទៅជាមួយខ្ញុំបានវានឹងសប្បាយណាស់ណា
How come?
How come what? How come?
How come? How come you suck?
How come? How come?
How come? I wonder how come.
How come I don't?
I didn't. How come?
How come you didn't pay me?
How come?
How come?
How come? How come?